Number 20, what are all the real zeros? Okay, remember for the zeros, it's the y that's actually equal to 0, and we're trying to solve for x. We've been getting the zeros a lot from the graphs, so if you go to y equals and you try to graph this, you can see an x-intercept there, but when you try to figure out what it is, it's not going to give you an exact answer. You know, if we go to our table, it's a number in between 1 and 2. So the best you could do then is give it an approximation, and this was not very accurate. So instead, we're going to solve this a different way by trying to get the x by itself. So this is x minus 3. So x minus 3, then they cubed it, then they added 6. And we want to go through and undo each of those. So I'm going to subtract 6. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Now we're going to undo the cube by taking the cube root. And we have to do that on both sides. And then we're going to add 3. So we get x is equal to the cube root of negative 6 plus 3. And that's just a number. So if we go math, cube root of negative 6 plus 3, we get 1.18, which is close to what we saw on the graph too, pretty close to 1. We know it's a number between 1 and 2. It's just writing it as the cube root of negative 6 plus 3 that's the exact answer. If you put that in your calculator, you get the exact answer, 1.182879407. So if you're doing this question again on the test, you give us something like this, you might not get full credit. The way they want you to work this one out is just to manipulate the equation to get x by itself and then tell us what it's equal to.